Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have an unboxing video for everyone. Some of these items are from Amazon, some from AliExpress, some are from like actual nail websites and different things like that. That gray thing is my clothes hamper, so I actually did not include that, like I didn't open it. But I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to get your clothes hamper. So the first nail related item is this Cuticle Pusher. It comes with two tools. I believe it's like $6.99 on Amazon, but I really wanted it because it's scooper. It's like, you know, some cuticle pushers, they don't have like scoop action, if that makes sense. It should make sense, but this one is long enough for me to scoop with as well, so I like that. I bought two of these. I only opened one because they're the same thing. This next item is two pink silicone pads. I use this for paint, glue, anything that I don't want to get on my table and I could just wipe off. So that's what I use that for. I think this was pretty cheap. It might have been like a couple cents. So around the time I was running out of monomer, so I was panicking and I was trying to get monomer from wherever I could the quickest speed possible. So I bought Meraki nails and the Glam and Glitz monomer, but now I have all three. So maybe I'll do a giveaway with one of them, because I mean Meraki nails is good, but it's not my preferred choice, so I might give that away. My next item is from Atwood Industries. Atwood Industries is where I get my Cuticle Bit, my diamond sanding band, and like the really aggressive bits that I like to use. I get those from there too. So I will leave the link in the description. Y'all can check them out. Excuse that cut in the paper, you know, X-Acto knife was sharp, real sharp. So these are the mini skiver bits. That's what I use to go around the cuticle. So next up, we got the pièce de résistance. My favorite part. The little charms that everyone is using right now. The little gold-plated charms. Y'all, I got these off of AliExpress for $4.99. Some of them are a little broken up. You know, I don't know what happened there. But I think it's just because like the words are so little. So, you know, maybe in shipping they got a little damage. But they got the Chanel, the Yves Saint Laurent, the Gucci, they have the Louis Vuitton, Dior, Christian Dior, and the money symbols. Get you some. So go ahead and tap that drop down box in the description and go down and get you some. They got some for like 10 for 99 cents. You know, I mean, do whichever one floats your boat, but I'll have the link for both of them. So if you want to get it off AliExpress, do that. If you want to get it off Etsy, do that, you know. But these right here are just some little pop sockets to go on the back of your phone. And I did not order that little cupcake. That was not supposed to be there. It was supposed to be Luna from Sailor Moon. AliExpress, she got me effed up. Okay, I wanted Luna, not no cupcake. So next I have these cute little rhinestones. Just the bright color, the multicolored bright ones. I actually bought two different types. I bought the really small ones off of Amazon, I believe, and then I bought these multi-sized ones off of AliExpress. I will have the links for both of them so you can check them out if you wish to purchase. So we got some like, turn to me playing with the black light. Okay, this is some glow in the dark powder, and they actually gave me the little light with it, so I will have that link in the description as well. I will have all of these, well, I will have as many links as possible. Some of these will not be up there anymore because, you know, AliExpress changes a lot, and some of these things are like, oh, this is no longer available, blah blah blah. So if I can, I will put as many links as possible in the description box for you guys to go check out. So this is the Manicurtist variety sanding band package, and you know I love me a good mandrel. If it comes with a free mandrel, I'll take it. So I also decided to purchase me some scissors. So these are actually curved scissors. So I don't know if you guys have seen, but like on Instagram, some people have this shape. It's like, it's hard to explain. I don't know what they call it. I don't think it has a name, but it's like, it has like a little curvature to it. If I can, I'll insert a picture, but that's what those are good for, like to help you cut it out. And we have our EnailCouture package. So my apologies, it stopped recording, but I purchased two of these nail tip boxes. And I'm actually gonna have to go back and purchase another one, or I might just purchase three because I have something else that would save you guys some money. something I found on AliExpress, and I love it because it's cheaper and it's similar, but I'll wait till I get there to tell you guys about that. And I finally got my monomer, but I did not open it on camera because if you see me try to open that thing, you know it is a struggle. That thing is sealed tightly wrapped up. But if you've purchased these extra long square tips and you open them and you're like me, then you were definitely like, what the F? What is this? What is this? What is this? So they are shorter than the extra long Coffin. So in my mind, when I purchased it, I thought they would be long, just like the extra long Coffin, but they are not. I don't know why, but they are not. So whenever I use these, I just put them on as regular tips because I want them to be long. Like, I want them to be long. So that's the only thing that I was just like, okay, what? Like, but anywho, it's alright, you know, it's okay. So I actually bought some more straight edge clippers because, you know, you can never have enough straight edge clippers, like, never. So these are from Amazon, and I really like these. Like, they're hefty, and I like that. Like, don't give me no flimsy clippers. Like, these right here, they got some weight on them, and I love it. So I bought some nail tip cutters, a 3-pack. I think it was like maybe $8 for these. They need some oil. That's what I'm gonna say. They need a little oil on them, and they might be okay. You can tell that the pink one is different than the other two, but it's alright. And then I have some nail tips from BT Art Box. These are the Ballerina nail tips. So I sometimes, well, no, I'm not gonna say sometimes, I like to use the pre-shaped ones because it cut down on time. Like, it really will help you cut down on time. Like, if you're trying to get a Coffin, get you some Coffin nail tips. If you're trying to get, you know, a stiletto, get you some stiletto nail tips and just shape it a little bit. It'll help you cut down on time. So these are some little display stands for, like, if you want to do press-ons, or if you're making whatever, like if you want to do a video but you don't want to put it on yourself, you know, you can put it on this. If you don't have a practice hand, you can practice on these little stands until you get you a hand, you know. But I will say these were a little dirty, so I did wipe them down with the sandy wipe because I don't know what was going on there, and one of them was a little bent, but it's nothing to complain about, really. You know, you just pop it back up a little bit, but don't pop it up too much because this is plastic and it will break off. So yeah, Amazon, somebody needs to talk to Amazon, because Amazon is the only place I know that will send you a big old box and you will have one little item. So I also got this little cute Sailor Moon keychain. It's so adorable. Like, I'm gonna put it on my keys and people are gonna be like, what the F? But I did not know Luna was on this too, so that is super cute. And I also got some more gold because everybody is loving this gold right now, and I'm not gonna keep buying these little bitty bottles of it, so I went and bought a big pot of it from Amazon. I'll have the link in the description so y'all can go get you some. So excuse the little purple thing, that was actually my new shower curtain. She cute. But I actually purchased my shower curtain before I purchased my nail drill, so what the F? So my nail drill was actually given to me in return for my review, so I will be giving you guys a review of that nail drill. It is a cordless nail drill, so I'll have the link in the description for that as well, and it's actually on sale too, boo! On sale too. So this here comes from, shoot, where did I get this from? I think I got this from TDI. If not, excuse me, but I think I did get this from TDI. Like, I've been wanting a larger duster, even though I want one larger than this, y'all. I want like a big duster, like big duster business over here, okay? But these work. They're not as soft as I thought they would be, but it does the job. That's my favorite thing. It does the job, but I just thought it would be softer, like Then I actually purchased some little hearts and some little butterflies from AliExpress as well. So these were cute. I got some things from Young Nails. I got 2 of the Speed Clears and the cover powder. I won't swatch it because I swatched it and it was kind of dark. I don't know if I use that, but it is what it is. But I see on their new packaging, it doesn't have the Speed Clear or like the names on the top. They're just on the bottom. So I will take my Speed Clear top, my old one, and just swap it because I really like that. Like, I like having the Speed Clear on top. Thought it was a cute touch. So these are some foils from AliExpress, and y'all, these are long. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but these are extra long. Like, what? Wait till you see. Just like, what? And there was actually like some really cute colors in here and cute like designs and patterns. Like those 2 flower ones, those are so cute. And this one, oh my goodness, so freaking cute. There's only like 1 or 2 that I was like, what I'm gonna do with it? Like, what I'm gonna do with it? But yeah, I mean, most of them are cute. Like this one, I was like, I don't know about that. But like something that I don't like, somebody else will come in and be like, oh my god, girl, put that on my nails. And I'm like, what? Sis, what? But yeah, these are really cute. And they're like, I know I'm not the only one who's like, dang, why are they that long? Like, why are they that long? I did not know that I bought these long foils. Like, I don't even think it said it on the thing when I purchased them. And you can see me getting frustrated because I thought I was at the end, but then I would move it and I would see some more. So I'm like, all right, wait. When it's gonna end? When it's gonna end? Because my arms are getting tired. Shoot. So these were just another set of foils that I had. I'm not going to show all of these on camera because they're chrome and I don't want it to affect anybody's eyes, because I know when I was looking at it I was like, what the freak? No, but they're chrome and they have like different shapes on them. So this is another item that was gifted to me in response for my review, so I will be reviewing that as well, along with the drill, honey. Yes. And I got a couple of drill bits from Hannah. These are the fine drill bits, and you guys, look what I found on AliExpress. Yes, sis, I found some dupes, you know. They are a little bit flimsier, but you know, it's okay. They still sturdy, but they a little bit flimsier. That's all. But I love them, so I will have that in the description box for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I did. I hope you guys stay blessed and stay safe, and thank you guys for watching.